Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin changing the battery on your Dyson SV27, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for dusting. First, ensure that your vacuum is unplugged and turned off. Start by removing the dust canister. Press the button located near the top of the canister and gently pull it away from the body of the vacuum. This step gives you better access to the battery compartment. Next, locate the battery cover on the back of the vacuum. It's held in place by two Phillips screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these and set them aside in a safe place. If you're unsure about handling the screws, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your device is in the best hands. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. You may notice some dust or debris inside the compartment. Use the clean cloth to wipe it clean before proceeding. Keeping your vacuum clean not only prolongs its lifespan but also ensures optimal performance. Now, you'll see the battery secured with two more screws. Using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew these screws and lift the battery out of its compartment. Be cautious while doing this. A flathead screwdriver can help pry it out gently if it's stuck. If you don't have the tools or feel uncertain about the process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you. With the old battery removed, take your new Dyson SV27 battery and align it properly in the compartment. Push it down securely until you hear a click, indicating it's in place. Replace the screws you previously removed to secure the battery. If you prefer to know the cost before any work begins, we provide a quote before repair, so you can make informed decisions. After securing the battery, reattach the battery cover by aligning it with the back of the vacuum and screwing it back in place. Make sure it's snug but be careful not to over-tighten. Once complete, reattach the dust canister by pushing it back into place until it clicks securely. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV27 and turn it on to check if the new battery is working correctly. If everything functions well, you have successfully changed the battery. If you encounter any issues, remember, no calls, no travel is needed. Our services can come directly to you for any further assistance. Regular maintenance and timely battery changes will keep your vacuum functioning efficiently for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.